Isabelle VanVactor, and I've been working here for about 10 years now. I'm originally from California, about Oakhurst, Fresno area. So I've been here over 20 years. I have 3 kids, 2 boys and 1 girl. I just got married in February, so I am a newlywed. I definitely like spending time with my kids, my husband, but our favorite thing to do is to go dancing. Love to go dancing. We cut a rug, so much fun, and we have to do it at least once a week. We have friends of ours that play in a band, so we'll go to different restaurants and just, the 80s rock and roll, and that will be just lots of fun. The best part about working here is that we work so much as a team. We accomplish things together. Like, I just got sick. Everyone helped me finish what I had to get finished by today. They all pitched in. They all asked how I was doing, how I was feeling. So we all just kind of, really care about one another, and that's really important when you're working, in a job. I do a little bit of everything, but mostly accounting. I make the new folders, close out jobs, really anything that boss tells me to do. I've learned so much in the last 10 years. I came in here not knowing much about this company, thinking, well, how in the world am I gonna contribute? Year by year, I learned more and more than I ever thought that I would. And not just, business-wise, but as far as working together with other people and truly caring and making everyone a family and feeling welcomed here. It's really been a true blessing just working here. I think one of the really important things that we do really well is take care of our customers. And they keep coming back, and we have repeat customers. I love to do my folders and see that they have come, not only once, but twice and 3 times over and over again. And that lets us know that we are doing a good job. Every time we go out and see that customer, we try even harder than before to be who they need us to be and for them to be happy with the work that we've done.